Our drone hovers over the northern coast of Ireland, capturing images that were never meant to be seen. The Giant's Causeway stretches below, its hexagonal basalt columns rising from the ground like the broken spine of an ancient giant. Tourists take photos, waves crash against the rocks, everything seems normal. Then the stone moves. A massive slab of basalt shifts outward in a slow and deliberate motion. Behind it, darkness. A chamber that should not exist opens for exactly 11 seconds before the rock slides back into place, sealing itself as if nothing had happened. Tourists felt the ground tremble beneath their feet. The drone recorded everything. When investigators finally analyzed the footage, what they found inside that hidden cavity would haunt them for the rest of their careers. Earlier that day, tourists, historians, geologists, architects, and experts on giants had gathered at the site to examine the rock formation in search of signs of Finn McCool, the legendary magical giant. But this is not only about Ireland. From the cliffs of Turkey to the forests of Scotland, from the depths of Kentucky to the submerged tombs of Malaysia, the earth hides sealed chambers, unexplained remains, and doors that open and close on their own. Some of these secrets are beginning to emerge. This is one of the most remarkable and popular sites in Northern Ireland, a place where science and mythology meet. People visit the Giant's Causeway every year, what some call the breathing door. For centuries, it was believed that the giant Finn McCool built the formation in order to cross to Scotland and face a rival. Science states that the structure formed around 65 million years ago, when lava emerged through fissures in the Earth's crust, and as it cooled rapidly, created regular basalt columns. Even so, nothing prepared anyone for what happened that afternoon. A tourist launched a drone to obtain a better angle. As the camera hovered near the columns, a stone slab began to move outward in a controlled manner, as if something were pushing it from behind. Witnesses saw the same thing. Before they could react, the rock returned to its place and sealed itself. When the footage was analyzed frame by frame, there was no gap, crack, or sign of an opening. However, a sonar scan revealed a chamber behind the rock. Inside it were several tall, upright forms aligned at exact intervals. They looked like human bodies, but they were far taller than any known population. One geologist explained that basalt does not naturally form around objects standing in a perfectly upright position unless those objects were already there before the rock hardened. Another specialist identified signs of rapid cooling, suggesting that these figures may have been trapped during a sudden volcanic event thousands of years ago. Sensors detected faint vibrations behind the wall. Some attributed this to pressure changes. Others were not certain. Authorities denied everything, refused to release the footage, and restricted access to the area. Whatever is inside that chamber has been there for millennia, but the stone door continues to move. And that raises a disturbing question. What if those figures are not as motionless as they appear? Witnesses even reported the unmistakable sound of snoring coming from inside the mountain, leading some to believe that the legendary giant may be sleeping there. In the Scottish Highlands, there is another mysterious structure, a granite pyramid about 41 feet tall, built on an isolated hill on the Balmoral estate. There are no roads and no signs. One must cross dense forest to reach it. Queen Victoria ordered it built in 1861 after the death of her husband, Prince Albert. Consumed by grief, she wore black for the rest of her life and kept his belongings untouched. 10 stone markers surround the pyramid, aligned in such a way that some believe they correspond to the sunrise at specific times of the year, something more common in ancient ritual sites than in Victorian memorials. Visitors report unusual cold around the structure and compasses that spin without control, suggesting magnetic interference. Despite more than 150 years of exposure to severe weather, the pyramid shows little erosion. Geologists say the granite appears extraordinarily resistant, as if advanced construction techniques had been used. Many say they feel watched there. Whatever the Queen's purpose was, she took the secret with her. In Turkey, the cliffs of Myra hold tombs carved into the rock more than 2,000 years ago by the Lycians. They believed that the soul needed a residence after death, creating chambers with columns, balconies, and sculptures. The most unsettling is the so-called Lion Tomb, where 11 life-sized stone figures face a sarcophagus. Some believe they represent family members, others suggest they may symbolize sacrificed companions. Even more disturbing is the fact that some entrances appear to have been sealed from the inside. Burn marks indicate fire in chambers without oxygen, and elevated radiation levels have been detected without explanation. A Christian church was built directly below, meaning that centuries of worship took place beneath a vast field of ancient dead. In the United States, the Mammoth Cave system in Kentucky stretches for more than 360 miles, making it the largest in the world. Deep sections remain unexplored because of narrow passages and toxic air. Mummified bodies have been found there, preserved by stable conditions. One of them was crushed beneath a 2-ton rock, kneeling as if performing a ritual. Other bodies rest peacefully with no signs of struggle, suggesting that they may have entered voluntarily to die. Indigenous oral traditions speak of spirits that inhabit the depths and warn of chambers that must never be opened. Explorers reported whispers when they were completely alone. The source was never identified. Across every continent, beneath forests, mountains, and ancient stone, the earth keeps its secrets. Doors move in Ireland. Pyramids wait in silence in Scotland. Tombs seal themselves from the inside in Turkey. And in the deepest caves, the dead rest as if they knew what was coming. We build our cities on the surface and believe we understand the world. But beneath our feet, there are chambers never opened, passages never mapped, and traces that no one can explain. Perhaps these traces are not merely relics of the past, but silent warnings preserved by the earth itself. Each sealed chamber, each unexplained structure, and each motionless form may represent a moment frozen in time, waiting to be understood. And as we continue to explore the surface, the unsettling possibility remains that something ancient may still be waiting, in silence, in the depths. Stone remembers what we have forgotten, and sometimes when no one is looking, it moves. Thank you for watching. While you are here, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Click on one of the recommended videos on the screen for more incredible information. See you there.